So remember last week when we talked about multi-step equations, we said that you have to make sure that you are moving terms that are the same. So in this equation right here, we have 4x, which is a coefficient, and we have 5x, which is a coefficient. The 2 and the 3 are what we call constants. So when we move the terms from one side to the other, we have to make sure that we're doing the operation of the term to its like term. So we'll go ahead and start with the 2 and the 3. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 2 on both sides of the equation. The 2 minus 2 gives us 0, leaving us with 4x on the left-hand side of the equation, or the equal sign. We have 5x. I'm going to go ahead and bring him down. And 3 minus 2 is 1. So just like we said last week, we're not going to move the 4x because that would leave us with 0 on the left-hand side of the linear function. So we are going to subtract 5x to himself and his like term on the opposite side of the equal sign. So 4x minus 5x leaves us with negative x. This cancels out because this is 0, leaving us with 1 on the right-hand side. We never want to leave our variable as a negative. So we look at this as if this is negative 1x. So that means we're going to divide both sides by negative 1. This leaves us with 1. And 1 divided by negative 1 is negative 1. Okay, our second equation. We have 3x and 5x that are like terms. So I'm going to subtract 3x to himself and his like term on the opposite side. That cancels out, leaving us with negative 6. 5x minus 3x gives us 2x. I'm going to bring my 2 on down. And now we will subtract 2 on both sides. Himself and the constant on the other side, leaving us with 2x. And negative 6 minus 2 is going to give us negative 8. And then we're going to divide both sides by 2 because the x is being multiplied by 2. The 2 divided by 2 leaves us with x. And the negative 8 divided by the 2 gives us negative 4.